Okay, so we're still on the eval, but we got out some deep drawdown, and I'm feeling confident. 50, 500. Okay, seems like we're still pretty volatile. Alright, so we've got these stacked 4 alpha value gaps. I'm just going to draw them out as like this. As one, and I want to see it's like around 50% get tapped, basically. My narrative is still shorts. I want to see it's coming lower from here. This is a weekly rebalance candle, but we have an SMT there. We haven't even fully swept it, you know, and that's good though. I like that because it's creating equal lows basically. I want to see this get round today. Let's see how many points we're at. Oh yeah, that's plenty of points away. So it's looking good. Okay, that's everything on the 4-hour chart. And we are on distribution now before we arrange in. So now I'm confident in bigger moves to the downside. I'm drawing the opening price right now. Where the fuck's this thing? Alright. Okay, so there's nothing else I really want to see here. Let me see how the different sessions reacted. So we opened. Phew, fuck me. Why is Asia moved? Okay, so we're super volatile at the moment. Asia's moved 400 points to the upside, retracing to that one. Manipulate. Fuck me. Okay, but we've still got Asia's low. Okay, looks like we have an SMT at these lows. That SMT might hold today. And then London opens up. Let me inverse this one over to the upside. I'm just distributing still back into the range. For London and Asia, both just distributing. Distribution accumulate a little bit. Let me see. 15. Yeah, no, this all just looks like distribution, mate. London's also moved 400 points back into the fucking range. Bro, how many points is that in total from today? I think that's like 800 points. 700 points. Interesting, mate. Yeah, still looks fucking nice, mate. So what do I think New York's gonna do? Well, I'm looking for short setups, I can't lie, within 50% of this range because we're already 700 points up in the day. My hard time frame narrative is bearish, okay, so I'm not expecting. I'm expecting this day could go bullish, but not that bullish. Do you know what I mean? I don't want to see us like in versus 4 hour or anything. And if anything, I'd like to see us make a daily fair value gap. So I think 50% tap. Looking for shorts would be promising. Like shorts to this fair value gap. Because I'm not going to try to predict the whole move down if I think it's going to be a bearish day, but I don't really think it's much. Retracing a lot of points. Really volatile though. And yeah, I think. I think the only way we would go even longer after 50% of this is. No, but this is a valid rebalance, I can't lie, after how much displacement. I really don't think we'll go back to all-time highs, but I don't really want to marry that bias anyways.
Food खाना कि after खाना?
Yeah, I think once the next 4-hour candle opens up, I think we could get a nice PO3 to the downside. Let's move this. Yeah, so my hard time for narrative is bearish. I'm looking for shorts in 50% of these 4 offer value gaps, which I think is valid. In terms of how low I think we'll go, no idea. I mean, we have really good volatility, but I'm probably going to look for like, safe since it's a Monday. Yeah, probably into the 1 offer value gap we're drawn out, maybe Asia low. But price action looks really good on the forward chart because, as you can see, last week from like Monday was Monday here until Wednesday we were in this range. Even from the week before, we broke out the range now. We've got lots of volatility, so it's looking good. To catch some bigger moves or something like that. And News-wise, we have no news today. CPI on Wednesday, but I don't think that'll slow us down today. I think that'll probably slow us down tomorrow, possibly, as we'll wait for that inflation news. But yeah, today's showing signs of just lots of volatility still. Ordinary 700 points to the upside. Have some pretty nice price action as well. We've filled all these fair value gaps and shit, inverse this. It's looking really good. Okay, so news affecting us is still Friday's NFP, which is just, in simple terms, going to be bearish for us on NQ. Okay, and chip stocks got destroyed, apparently. So that's not good for the Nasdaq. Middle East tensions are still rising. Protected highs or lows wise, there is none. To protect the bullish narrative for today, obviously this SMT. But in terms of being protected, I'll put it as this. But I think protecting bullish narrative for today. There's nothing else protecting like a bullish narrative. Because these can still get inversed. I mean, manipulated. But we've already gotten through manipulation. I think if we were going to come down here, it would be a bit unfortunate. But in terms of manipulating this and going higher, still pretty valid. Okay. Yeah, these seem like all my deals for the day. I think it's setting up pretty nicely for us to come down here if I'm right. Our market opens in the middle. Okay. Now I'm gonna come. Market's about to open, so I'm looking for any possible tells. Hmm. 15-minute wise, there's nothing really telling us we're going short just yet. Because we've got this 15-minute up here that we can rebalance into. This 15-minute is holding. Let's see if there's anything. Oh, however, we have this 15-minute. I just found. Do I want to take any type of bullish trades? I might go bullish until we're disproven. I think that's not a bad idea though. But I'm going to be careful with my stops though. 3-minute there. Nah, but in terms of going long, I can't lie. We're in way too much premium to even try go long. Obviously, I could try go for a scalp. I think this would only be the only area that I would actually want to scalp along from. In terms of shorts from this area, I want to see internal manipulation. Because going short, we can move to a break even before going here, to be honest. Yeah, I'll have to be careful with my break evens though. So I want to short into that 1 hour. That's 15-minute, that's 15-minute that we're currently in. If we respect this 3-minute, we have just respected this 2-minute. If we go, we have this 1 minute on ES. If this gets inverted, I can't lie. NQ hasn't had any inverses to the downside or respected. Nah, I can't see any reason why we wouldn't go short right now. I'm gonna see how ES keeps going. Yeah. Okay. I have entered shorts with just 1 micro because I think my stop loss is pretty big. But that's the only inversion we got. In terms of targets, we're already in that 15-minute, and we are dumping a shit ton. So I think I might target the 1 hour, since I don't think there's any reason why we wouldn't rebalance into the 1 hour yet. Because we could come retrace here, go higher. So I'm trying to debate whether it would be a good idea to hold this short or not, or if I'm just hoping for something here. I think I might move to break even here because I don't think there's like a proper entry model here. Obviously, we created a 3-minute, respected that to the downside. I would want to see speed through this 15. I mean, we respected the 2-minute. Yes, reverse that. Do I want to try take early profits? It's kind of a sticky one. down. Okay, let me at least draw where I've entered. 41. I've got extremely protected stops right here, 26.5. I've got my stop loss at. It's at the very top of the fair value gap, bottom wick. This wick here. So 26.5, yeah, 26.75 there. So I want to see us move more bearish. There's no other one. Actually, we do have this. We have that 3 minute there. I like this opportunity though, I can't lie. Yeah, let me just try to think of which entry we have. Internal manipulation, created that, nice for value. We inverse that, created one. Yeah, well, ES is showing great signs of wanting to go down, so I think NQ will follow. Isn't this the fair value? No. Okay, so we are just respecting bearish PRAs, and I did anticipate us to go lower at this point as well. I think ES is in its 1 hour. ES is in the 1 hour fair value gap now. I've got my stop loss pretty tight in that. Okay, so since ES is got better, fuck that. We're in the 1 hour now. We've created this. What do we have an NQ here? Oh yeah, we did create 2 minute, and then we respected that 2 minute, and now we've created 3 minute, which is the highest time frame. Stop loss there. Since I wasn't really prepared for this trade, I'm happy with one being with one micro. But I'll still be on fight 2. It's fine, I can scale in anyways. Once we get some protected lows and some... Okay, so forget that now. So ES created that. I'm looking for some inversions that we've had to the downside now. Any bullish P raise? Okay, so we've got this one on ES. We've had no inversions to the downside on NQ though. So I'm going to draw this trade on ES. And that is where I also entered on NQ, which is good. I entered pretty low. Nah, I'm happy with that, to be honest. So what fair value gaps are protecting my stop? What would be valid? 3 minute here. Alright. So that's a 3 minute. NQ has a 3 minute here. I'll play to that. My stop loss is basically just at the fair value, but that it could still, I could get kicked out here, which will be very unfortunate. Okay, so we create this 5 minute now. We're trading very heavily back into it. I'm going to keep my stop there though. On the 5 minute, we've got this. Okay, I've been stopped out. It's fine. Right, so that's a 53. I'm glad I only with that one. It's okay. If we inverse this to the upside, I'm going to take that. And does it look like we are? Okay, so if ES is gonna, okay, I'm looking for some inversions to the downside now as well. What fair value gaps are we creating? What fair value gaps are we creating? Okay, now we've got that nice retracement. Right, so this is the only fair value buy side we have. ES's trade is still playing out, but I'm still glad that I had that tight stop in NQ. Alright, so if this gets inverted, I'm definitely going to take a shot of this. That means my stop loss will be protected as well. I'll have a nice stop loss. Well, if we inverse it to the upside, why did I delete that? We do have an SMT at the fair value gap though, so upside movement's still valid if we inverse the. We didn't. We got 50% candle closure. So we're still respecting 50% of this. I don't like the way we've got no manipulation, you could say, on NQ here, but that's just the 50% of the range. Okay, so we've created this 2-minute now. If we get displacement above this high, that could mean we could cut a quick scalp to the upside. That's a nice 1 minute. Yes, just that. Oh, I don't really like how we've inversed that so far. I wanted to see us get nicely below. And now I'm entering. I've entered there. I think if we wanted to go up there, we would have inversed that 5 minute. Right, sick entry. Okay, I'm in with 2 micros, so I think I might take 1 partial there, 1 partial here, and let the rest run, as I'm not 100% sure where we're going to be headed. And what is... So that's a partial for 1 micro, a 1:3 ratio. I didn't draw that trade out. So that's what my tree's looking like now. I'm in with 2 micros. I'm gonna take out 1 micro at the bottom here and move to break even. And I'm gonna let the other one run to I might just fully let it run for the rest of the day, mate. I don't like how we're kind of respecting this 1 hour though. But I really don't want to see us come higher. Looks like we might get some chop here. There's no way it's gonna stop dollars. It's really weird that we've. I think we're just chopping about, you know. I'm already down 350 on the day. I think that's the most I really want to go, to be honest. And by the way, I think, oh my god, wait. Look what we've done. If we go down from here, Okay, this is kind of concerning. But yeah, I do think we're in trouble. You can't make this shit up. You can't make this shit up. Okay, I'm entering. This was supposed to be my what's it called again? My break-even point. But now I've just entered there because it showed that we've actually. Bro, I can't believe I just got stopped out there. I was gonna put my stop loss above here as well, but it was just to just to risk it. You actually can't make that shit up. You can't make that shit up. Yeah, oh, fuck me, mate. Okay, what's the next? It's the highest time frame gap we have. The highest time frame unmitigated gap. I still can't believe that trade got stopped. Is this 1 minute? Okay, I'll draw my trade out in a sec. But yeah, it's basically the same trade I was in before. I knew there was something because I trailed it like right above this. There's no wick on this candle, so they do normally get round a bit, but like, come on. Huh, I got stopped out for that, mate. That's some bullshit, man. That's some bullshit. That's fine. I'm not gonna let it run to my next trade. Can't believe I was right about it and then just did that. It's disappointing, man. Well, I'll only end this with one micro. Okay, the way ES is closed as inverse that 1 hour, I think we're going to go out and at least take out London lows. If I get out of London lows, that'll put me up 500 on the thing, so I'll be up. Okay, so I'm going to do that. So yeah, my stop loss, my take profit's going to be down there. We do have a 1 minute fair value gap above as well, but this is the last fair value gap of the gap of this leg. I don't want to see this get broken above because then that's just not showing anything. Yeah. I think I might have got caught in shock today. Why is it not fucking doing this? Now, if I took that trade on ES, man, that would have bang. NQ's just on some bullshit. Please speak off my then, man. Okay, the 15 minutes looking nice. It's making its way down there. This price action is extremely manipulative. Like that. Well, I do think I'm going to get stopped out. Yeah, crazy. You actually can't make the show. So what the fuck happened today? Yeah, well, I'll definitely have to learn from this day. Because that's a shocker.
That I hear on social media about trading prop firms is trade prop firms how they're supposed to. What if I told you the most dangerous?
I genuinely nah, it's a low voltage either. Okay, I'm gonna hop off now.